I'm Rob Courtney. This is my wife Jen Courtney, and we are building the Redford floor plan.
I think that the best part of our Shaw experience has been coming to the design studio and getting to pick out all of our finishes and having so many options to choose from.
I think for us it was the right balance of great design choices at a price that's not outrageous, but also knowing that we have the ability to make some choices that were some higher end finishes.
I think I would say that it is a great opportunity to find a neighborhood that you love, a floor plan that you love, and have really amazing people that want to help you build the house that you've always wanted.
And I would say to check out all the different models that are out there, check out different builders, but definitely 100% check out Shaw's Model Homes.